Question. Discuss the appointment, powers and functions of the Workmen's Compensation Commissioner. Answer. The Workmen's Compensation Commissioner plays a central role in resolving disputes and administering financial relief under labor and industrial laws. The office acts as a specialized quasi-judicial authority designed to protect the rights of workers or their dependents who suffer work-related injuries or disabilities. Under Section 2(1)(b) of the Workmen's Compensation Act, 1923, a commissioner means a commissioner for workmen's compensation. The primary meaning of this authority is to serve as an independent adjudicator that oversees employee liabilities, disability levels, and ensures fair financial support without forcing workers into long and complicated civil court battles. It is fundamentally an institution created for speedy dispute resolution and social security. The appointment of the commissioner is governed by Section 20 of the Act. The state government has the power to appoint any suitable person as a commissioner for workmen's compensation for specific areas, notified in the Official Gazette. The state government may appoint more than one commissioner in a single area and can regulate the distribution of business among them. Furthermore, Section 20 dictates that every commissioner is deemed to be a public servant. To ensure fairness during complex inquiries, the commissioner has the authority to choose one or more individuals possessing special knowledge of a relevant matter to assist them. The powers and functions of the commissioner are broad and strictly defined by the statute. First and foremost, under Section 19, the commissioner possesses the power to settle disputes. This includes deciding the liability of any person to pay compensation, determining if an injured individual qualifies as a workman, assessing the nature and extent of the disablement, and calculating the exact amount or duration of compensation. No civil court has the authority to deal with any question that the Act reserves for the commissioner, responsible for the proper deposit and distribution of compensation, especially in cases of fatal accidents where lump sum payouts must be deposited directly with the office to prevent exploitation of dependents. The commissioner has the power to call for statements from employers regarding fatal accidents and compel further deposits if deemed necessary. Additionally, the commissioner is vested with the powers of a civil court. These include enforcing the attendance of witnesses, examining witnesses on oath, compelling the production of documents, and recovering compensation or costs as an arrear of land revenue. In discharging these functions, the commissioner records a brief memorandum of the evidence of every witness, which forms part of the legal record. Regarding case laws, the scope of the commissioner's inquiry heavily involves determining whether an accident arose out of and in the course of employment. In judicial precedents such as McKinnon Mackenzie and Company vs. Ibrahim Mammoud Ishaq, the courts interpreted the scope of employment broadly, including situations where an employee is reasonably fulfilling the conditions of their employment. In other cases concerning the doctrine of added peril, such as Davidayal Raleram vs. Secretary of State for India, courts have clarified that the commissioner must check if an employee took unauthorized, excessive risks that voided the employer's liability. In conclusion, the Workmen's Compensation Commissioner serves as a protective shield for the working class in industrial environments. By combining the powers of a civil court with the flexibility and speed of administrative procedures, the commissioner ensures that justice is delivered effectively. The office fulfills the vital social purpose of the Act by guaranteeing that injured workers or their grieving dependents receive their rightful statutory compensation with minimal delay.
Keep learning, keep growing with the LLB Guide. Don't forget to subscribe and explore more lessons in law.